Hello. All right. You ready to go? We're going to talk about vowel sounds. 5 vowels. In class, they're always the red letters up on our alphabet chart. A, E, I, O, U. They make 2 sounds. They have a short sound and a long sound. The long sound is the sound when they're saying their name. So when A sounds like A, like in skate, skate, skate. I hear an A. So that's a long sound when it says its name. We're going to focus on the sounds that are short when the vowel is not saying its name. A, E, I, O, and U. A's short sound is ah, ah, ah. E, eh, eh, eh. I, I. O, ah, ah, ah. And U, uh, 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 uh. All right, you ready to go? Your job is to find things around your house that have the short vowel sound in them. I did the same thing. I went like this. Where can I find some short vowel sounds? Where are they? And I found some. Let's start with A. All right. I was kind of thirsty, so I opened up this can of sparkling water, lime-flavored sparkling water, and it is a can. Can. I'm going to slide it out. If I hear a short vowel sound, I'm going to write it down. Can. Ca. Ah. 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 That's my short A sound. Can. I'm going to write that down. Can. I'm going to try something out here. Turn on another light. Maybe that helps a little bit. All right. Can. That'll be my first one. Ah. Ah. And then I found this. Finley and I put this together. It is the solar system. Sol means sun. And we are the planet Earth. Finley painted it and we worked together to put it together. So here's our planet. That's Earth. And Earth and all of the other planets orbit around the sun, but not all together like that. So we've got planets. Planets. Can you say planets? Stretch it out. Let's see if there's a lowercase or a short vowel sound in there. Planets. I actually heard 2 short vowel sounds. Pla, a, net, so there's also an E. Well, let's use it for A. Planets. Planets. Ooh, it's got the word plan, the word and, cool. The word net, the word nets, the word A. Okay, next one. E. I found 2 things with an E. I found a flamingo. Flamingo? I don't hear an eh. I'm looking for eh. But it's not just any flamingo. This is a pen. You can write with this flamingo. It's a pen. 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 It has the short vowel sound. Eh. Pen. All right. And then this is a pretty common thing during this one holiday that's going on right now. This is an egg. Egg with a little condensation on it. I gotta get it back in the fridge. Egg. Sometimes people say egg. Egg. You know, sometimes we say words differently, and that's okay. It's okay. What I do want you to know, excuse me, what I do want you to know is how to spell egg. Eh. It actually has a short vowel sound, E, in it. Egg. Egg. and two G's. Two G's. Hey, Egg, do you want to go back in the fridge?
Exactly where I want to go.
Okay, let's put it back. There you go. Nice little spot in your bed. Okay. Pen and egg. We got the E's. Now let's look for I's. I. 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 Well, this is my little pet. Yeah, this is a chicken. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a hippopotamus. For this, I'm just going to write hippo. Hippo. Do you hear an I? Hippo. Hippo. And then there's a long O sound saying its name at the end. Hippo. That's saying its name. What we're going to do is short I. Hippo. Hippo. All right, the other thing I found is this really cool pin. You might recognize it. What is that? What is that? That's you, a Cleveland Cub. This is a very small pin. And if I carefully take the back off of it, you can see that really sharp end to it. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to put that back on. This is a pin, and you can put it on your shirt. A pin. I found another one here, too. This one's pretty neat. Yeah, this one says, I love Mr. T. It's a pin. It looks like this. Sometimes they call these buttons, but it's not the kind of button that's on your shirt. It's still a pin. All right, two different kinds of pins. You got a Cleveland Cub. You got Mr. T. All right, so let's write pin. P-I-N. Pin. I got all the letter sounds. Okay, let's move on to O. But I'm not saying O. I want to say ah. All right. So this has been in my family for a long time. From World War II, actually. It came from England. Long time ago. This is a British bulldog. And this is a wooden sculpture that my grandma brought back years ago from England. It's got one eye is missing and the other eye is kind of shiny. You can kind of see a little sparkle. Yeah. It's a British bulldog. It's pretty cool. I love that face. I want to know my short vowel sounds. Dog. D-og. Write that one down. D-og. D-og. British too. Brit-ish. British. Yeah. British. All right. Now I found one more thing that is aw, and this hangs in my bedroom. Whoa. Look at that. It's not pretty cool. Look at the detail in that art. It's like a mosaic. So many shapes and shapes going together to make more shapes. Octopus. 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 And oct means 8. So it's an 8-legged creature. 8 tentacles. All right. Last one is All right. So for I actually had a hard time. I looked everywhere. I looked up. I looked down. And then I looked at the wall. What is that? Now, I don't get my hands too close to it because there's electricity in that. What is that called? Does it have an sound? Yes, it does. That's a plug. 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 Yep. Plug. Plug. Got all my sounds. Okay, the last one I found also is an ug word. And a lot of times we don't see these, but they're pretty cool. This is a jug. It's a jug, and I can take this to the market and they can fill it up so I don't have to buy cans and all that stuff. And it's a jug, and some people even use them as instruments. Check this out. This song is really good. All right, so that's a jug. There it is, jug. Better open that lid. Jug. What? Jug. Jug. Plug. Jug. They both have ug. We'll talk rhyming words another time. Ugs. Plug. Jug. All right. Your job. Go around your house. Collect as many short vowel sounds as you can in the things that are around. I see a rug. I just gave one to you. That's a All right. Oh yeah. No problem. Just go ahead, grab that pencil, grab that paper, walk around your house, collect as many as you can, short vowel sounds hiding in words. Have fun.